Welcome to Being Super Indian. My bike is completed almost 27,000 kilometers and it's time to replace the tires. Front tires are still in good condition. Rear tires lost all the grips.
In this video, we are going to replace the rear tire with a new one. Let's begin.
After lots of research and suggestions, we ended up buying a CEAT Zoom XL. We got this for 2,800. First, let's see the tire removal and installation process.
Bye bye old tire.
Now let's see how it looks on our bike. I think we should remove the tire hugger. Wow, now looks fantastic. It's time to test the tire.
Now it's time for verdict. We tested this tire on almost all terrain and it performed really well. This is also 140 by 70 section tire, that's why you can see significant increase in height of the bike. So no more kissing speed breakers. This is a perfect tire for day-to-day commuting and for touring purpose. And obviously it is not meant for tracks.
Hey friends, if you like the video, please hit the like button, and for more awesome videos, please subscribe to our channel. Ta-da!